What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to convert megabytes to bytes, kilobytes to bytes, and kind of explain the two differences in the conversions here. So as you can see, I have 1 megabyte equals 1,048,576 bytes. But if I use the SI standard, for some reason, it's 1 million bytes. This is kind of an inconsistency in the tech world here. I'll go into it a bit. But this website will allow you to do both conversions. So whether you need it to calculate how much storage space you got, or to use something for coding, I recommend using this site because you can do it both ways. So I'll put the link to this in the description of my video. You can find it that way. And now I'm going to kind of go into what the difference between these two conversions are. So you'll see I clicked use SI standard. What is this SI standard? It is a kind of a measurement metric defined by an international body. So kind of like, you know how there's kilometers for meters, like 1,000 meters is a kilometer. It's kind of like the same thing, like a metric measurement determined for bytes. But it's also kind of different because that metric measurement, right, it is a decimal measurement. So you'll see 1 kilobyte is 10 to the power of 3 bytes, which is 1,000 bytes. However, this kilobyte is 2 to the 10 bytes, which is 1,024 bytes. And if you're programming, you'll be seeing this guy way more often, actually pretty much exclusively. You'll be just seeing kilobyte. So I'm going to leave the link to this Stack Exchange in my description too. You can scroll through this. It's a lot of CS profs, like computer science professors, just going over what they should teach their students, and you'll see it's messed up beyond repair. Basically, if you're evaluating the space of a hard drive, a solid state drive, you're going to want to use the decimal conversion, which is just a simple 1 kilobyte is 1,000 bytes. 1 megabyte is 1 million bytes. But if you're doing programming, like I was using Python, and I wanted to create an if check to limit the user from uploading too many attachments into my app. So I need to check on the byte size, right? I needed to use the binary conversion, the kilobyte. So that's why I needed to do 10 to the 24 bytes, right? So I don't know how many megabytes I was uploading, let's say 35. I had to convert that 35 megabytes using this conversion method here, and not use the SI standard, and put this value into my code to make sure that nobody was uploading more than 35 megabytes into my app. However, if I was checking to see if this is gonna fit in my hard drive, I would use this basically. So that's why it's confusing. You'll see more if you read through this forum, I guess. I'll leave it in the description like I said. But yeah, that is both ways of how to convert megabytes to bytes, kilobytes to bytes, and the difference in the conversion. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comments. I'll reply to them. And thanks for watching.